Hello everyone, this is Simmons. Today we actually are going through another new HackerRank challenge, which is called Staircase. This is actually a very interesting topic related to computer graphics, which means you can draw stuff with, computer program, right? Which is really interesting. Let's go through the question really quickly. Staircase detail. This is a staircase of size n equals 4. Its base and height are both equal to n, meaning it has 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has 4 letter spaces, right? It has 4 hashtag on the last line. And the last line is not preceded by any spaces. Write a program. What does this mean is like there's a space right here, there's 2 space right here, and there's 3 space right here, right? So write a program that prints a staircase of size n. Function description: complete the staircase function in the editor below. Integer n is integer, so sample, so it has 6. So there's 1 hashtag here and 5 spaces here, and the last line has 6 hashtags here. Okay, so first let's see what does a line consist of, right? So each line consists of 5 spaces, 1 hashtag, and we need to enter every time we need to enter every time it finishes the line, right? So we know n, which is the length of the array. So we need a space. We first need a space, and we use x to represent it, right? So we initiate an array with a space, and we also need a hashtag, right? So it's going to be a string. So the hashtag is going to be inside of a string, right? And we use y to represent it. We initiate the array, right? So we initiate the variable. Now the last thing we need is going to be enter, right? So the way we represent enter in Python is going to be \n, right? And it's going to be inside of an array as well, so that when we input it, it's going to take it as a Python will know, okay, you don't really mean \n, you mean go to the next line, right? Okay, so let's do that. And then now we need to iterate through. Well, let's see. We need, for the first line, we need n minus 1, right? For the first line, we need, let's do the range n. Yeah, so this is pretty much a for loop that we iterate the index of the array, which is from 0 to n minus 1, and then it stops at n minus 1. So, so first line is going to consist of n minus 1. I think something we need to time with n minus 1 minus I, right? So let's see. Let me explain it in a bit. Okay, so that's what we need for x, and then we need y plus we need y plus we need y plus I. We need y plus I of y, right? No. No, we need I plus 1 of y. We need I plus 1 of y. I'll explain it in a bit for you for sure, okay? And then we plus z. Okay, so this is what we're going to print every time. All right, let's see. I don't know if it'll work, okay? Okay, it doesn't work. I think I inserted too many spaces. Yeah, because the x's are correct. It just there's too many spaces. Okay. So what is wrong? So y is correct, x is correct, y is correct. Maybe I don't need this. Maybe I don't need the space. Why is it going twice? Oh, I don't need z actually, because it's automatically in the next line when we print, because it's printing. Okay, perfect. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let me see if it works, and then I'll explain to you. Okay, cool. So the reason we didn't end up using z at all because every time we loop, the second loop goes to the next line. So we don't need to add this because it's just not gonna it automatically goes to the next line already. So let me explain to you what this is going on. So as I said, this is a space, this is a hashtag, and then when we loop I in range n, so let's say range n is 6, right? So I would be 0 to 5. So first time the I would be equal 0, and n is 6. 6 minus 1 minus 0 is 5, right? So, and we times with space, which means we have 5 space here. And then we plus the next one, I equals 0 plus 1 times y. So we have 1 y, which is a hashtag. So we have 5 spaces here and 1 hashtag. That way we have the first line already. Let me show you the case, right? And then this next line, next loop, we have I equals 1 and still equals 6, right? So 6 minus 1 equals 4, which is 4 spaces here. And then plus I equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 times the hashtag. So we have 4 spaces here. We have 2 hashtags, so on and so forth until we have the answer. Okay? And this is really interesting because if you can like manipulate the even just the symbols on your computer keyboard, you can draw amazing graphics just with these symbols and the programming in the graphics. Okay, hope you guys enjoy it. If you like it, make sure to subscribe and like and turn on the bell sign so that every time I update, you guys will get notified, and I update weekly. Okay, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day.